Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akim bin Marnan. Today, I will conduct an experiment on heat conduction. Before we proceed with the experiment, first thing is we need to know what is heat conduction. Heat conduction is a heat transfer process in which heat travels from particle to another particle from a hotter place to a cooler place. In real life concept of heat conduction, it is when a heat from a hot cup is moving to our hand. It shows that the heat is moving from a hot place to a cooler place. Without wasting our time, let's proceed with the experiment. These are the apparatus that we are going to use for this experiment. First we have paper clips. Next we have metal spoon, candle, and a lighter. The first step for this experiment is we need to melt the wax of the candle and use it to stick the paperclip with the spoon. We are going to repeat this step for the next paperclip. This is how it looks after we stick all the paperclip on the spoon. Next, we need to light up the candle. And finally, we will place the one end of the spoon at the flame. We can see the paperclip that closest to the flame will drop down, and subsequently, the other paperclip will start falling down one by one. It is because the heat is traveled along. It heats up the particles of the metal which the spoon is made up of. As the clip falls, the heat transfers to the next particle of metal and then to the next until the last clip. Lastly, the last pin falls down. This is how the heat transfer takes place through the process of conduction. Thank you.
radiation. First of all, what is radiation and how does it transfer heat? Radiation is the mode or process of heat transfer that does not require a medium. Heat transfer process of conduction and convection need particle to transfer heat. Radiation, on the other hand, transfer heat through electromagnetic wave that require no medium. According to National Renewable Energy Laboratory, dark and dull color on a home exterior absorb anywhere between 70 to 90% of the sun energy. Hence, dark paint make a house warmer while light paint do not. Black absorb more of the different wavelength of light energy followed by violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red in descending order. Now, let's perform an experiment to demonstrate radiation and how different color absorb solar energy differently. So for the experiment, what we need are 4 same size of glasses, a measuring glasses, a bottle of water, 4 different color of cellophane sheet, and for the experiment we use the transparent, red, green and blue color, a thermometer and also a few rubber band. First of all, what we need to do is pour the water into the measuring glasses until it reach 100 ml. After that, measure the temperature of the water. So the temperature of the water in the measuring glasses is 30.2 degrees Celsius. After that, pour the water into the glasses. And then wrap the water in the glasses with the cellophane sheet. Repeat the same process for the green, red and transparent cellophane sheet. After complete wrapping 4 glasses with 4 different color of cellophane sheet, place the glasses under the sun for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take the reading of water temperature for all the glasses and record it. We will try to see how dark color absorb more light and convert into more thermal energy or heat. Hence, this glass is going to be warmer followed by others in decreasing orders. So now, let's try to take the reading of the water temperature one by one for all the glasses. So, from the experiment, you can see for the water in the blue cellophane sheet recorded 48.3 degrees Celsius. And next, for the green cellophane sheet, recorded 47.4, while for the red cellophane sheet, recording the temperature of 46.5 degrees Celsius. And the last one for the transparent cellophane sheet, recording temperature of 44.6 degrees Celsius. Based on the experiment, the water in the glass covered by the blue cellophane sheet had the highest temperature of 48.3 degrees Celsius, followed by green which is 47.4 degrees Celsius, the red one with 46.5 and the transparent one had a temperature of 44.6 degrees Celsius. So we can see that the temperature for all the glasses were in decreasing order. This blue one was the warmest and followed by the others in the decreasing order. That's all from me. Thank you.